In this video, we'll start creating the second floor. The first thing you need to do is double click on your first floor layer. Double check that you're on the correct layer. This is indicated by this layer becoming bold in your navigational panel. The next thing you need to do is go into your slab tool. From here, you can choose any geometry method you wish. I would suggest you use the polygon method, and this is the line by line method. Now what you're going to need to do is draw your second floor over your first floor. So follow the orange transparent line that's here and go around the boundary of your first floor until you get to the end point. So click, lock that in, and then you can have a look at your slab in 3D by pressing the F3 button. And you can see here, if we use our orbit tool, the slab's sitting directly over the top of our first floor. From here, go back into your first floor, and then now you can start adding in the walls. So if you click on the wall tool, you can use the magic wand method to add your walls, and you can do that by holding spacebar, and you can see here the walls will be dropped in. Now if we look at this in 3D, you can see that the walls are sitting directly on top of the slab. Now that you've added your first floor, continue adding all the interior details, such as all interior walls, doors, and any windows that might be present on this floor.